Meaning of ileum.
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 Ileum. The ileum is the final segment of the small intestine in the digestive system. It is located between the jejunum and the cecum, which is the beginning of the large intestine. The ileum is approximately 3 meters long and has a diameter of around 2 to 3 centimeters. Its main function is to absorb nutrients, such as vitamin B12, bile salts and electrolytes. Additionally, the ileum plays an important role in the immune system by producing lymphoid tissue and preventing harmful bacteria from entering the bloodstream. Overall, the ileum is a crucial part of the human digestive and immune systems.